In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create aesthetic Instagram Reels and TikToks using Canva. If you want to elevate your social media game with eye-catching, creative content, this tutorial is perfect for you. We'll go step by step to ensure you can craft visually stunning Reels that captivate your audience and enhance your online presence. To begin, open Canva, a versatile design platform that provides countless templates and tools for creating engaging visual content. In the search bar at the top, type in Instagram Reels or TikTok, depending on the platform you're focusing on. Canva offers a wide variety of pre-made templates designed specifically for these formats, which makes your work much easier and faster. Once you find a template that fits your theme or style, click on Customize this template. This opens Canva's editing interface where you have full control over the design. Start by editing the text. Include catchy phrases, clear messaging, or call to actions that align with your Reel's purpose. Text plays a major role in grabbing attention, so make sure it's readable, concise, and visually appealing. Next, adjust your video's duration. Instagram Reels and TikToks are most effective when short and engaging, so trim or extend each segment as needed. Canva allows you to adjust the length of each scene easily by dragging the edges of the timeline. You can also split pages to create distinct segments, which is perfect for introducing multiple ideas or showcasing different visuals smoothly. Delete any sections that don't fit your overall vision to keep your content polished and concise. After refining your segments, focus on visuals and effects. Canva lets you add images, graphics, animations, and music to enhance your reel. Experiment with free and premium elements to make your content stand out. Play with transitions, overlays, and filters to give your reel a cohesive and professional look that aligns with your brand or personal style. Finally, preview your reel to make sure everything flows seamlessly, then download it in a format ready for Instagram or TikTok. And by following these steps, selecting a template, customizing text, adjusting duration, splitting segments, and adding finishing touches, you can create aesthetic and professional looking reels quickly and easily. Get creative, have fun, and produce reels that reflect your unique style while capturing your audience's attention. Thanks for watching and happy designing.